So hi Darren, can you tell me about Partners for Agencies and what you do?
Of course, thanks for having me on the call, Caroline. So PFA is a consultancy firm based in Paris that works with agencies, and we've been established for over 30 years, and we work with agencies of all types, marketing, digital, advertising, design, PR, etc. And we work across Europe and the USA, and we've worked in the UK for many years.
And what do you do, Darren?
Well, originally we were an M&A company, buying and selling agencies. Then we developed into setting up networks, and for the last few years we've been doing a lot on agency collaborations and agency new business, and we still do M&A, of course.
Can you tell me about agency collaborations?
Of course. Agencies are businesses that are constantly changing, and in the past there was a trend for agencies to become full service, representing themselves to clients as a one-stop shop. But as the range of creative services expanded beyond anybody's imagination, just keeping pace is impossible. So now the trend is to be small and smart. That means concentrating on their main service and seeking out good partners for those non-core services.
So they give business away?
Yeah, but it's usually part of a quid pro quo. They get leads and business in return. Collaboration agreements can take many different guises, and it can be sharing premises, sharing specialist staff, say a top creative director, but it usually needs something immediate to get a collaboration working.
What do you mean by that?
Well, if there's a project that both agencies can be working on from day one, then the collaborations tend to work. If there isn't a project, then collaborations tend not to work.
Right, so is this where your new business programs come in?
Yes, we recognised the problem when we started working on a new business service for agencies. All agencies need new business. We had all the skill sets to do effective new business. We researched the market and decided to offer a service based around agency recommendation using big data and direct contact.
So tell me how that works.
Well, an agency will decide on a specific new business campaign. This means simply deciding on what market sector you want to approach. And usually it's where an agency already has experience, but not always. We'll source the data from a number of data sources, create a video presentation through an interview technique, and then start contacting, looking for appointments. We use email, LinkedIn, and teleworkers, calling all key contacts to make appointments on the basis of recommendation.
And how does this tie in with collaborations?
Well, if an agency has a new business campaign, it immediately has something to collaborate with.
Right, can you give us an example?
Yeah, so the Media Trader is a media agency offering people and other agencies a platform to buy media. They instructed us to run a campaign aimed at other agencies, above 10 employees and with potential media clients. Another client, D-Cube, is a CGI agency. They offer CGI to companies, architects and people who make products and want to display them in nice environments. They instructed us to run a campaign aimed at large furniture manufacturers. A collaboration can be agreed between both agencies using the new business campaigns. D-Cube lets the Media Trader sell its media platform to sizable furniture manufacturers in the campaign, and the Media Trader allows D-Cube to sell the agencies it's working on. There's no conflict of interest, just the ability to trade the data being generated in the campaigns between each other. And of course, working together in this way means a deeper working relationship might develop.
I see. It becomes a way of easily expanding the reach of a campaign. So is there any cost for the collaboration arrangement?
No, it's all part of the new business package.
Right, so let's talk about the data. How good is it?
It's simply the best data available. I mean, we have core data that's essentially every company that's registered in any country. The data identifies all the key people, not just the C-level managers, but all the management below them. An agency recommendation is often achieved by making contact with somebody who then gets you to the right person.
So is this service for matching agencies and your new business campaigns expensive?
No, we get asked that a lot. It's very competitive. In fact, we charge a lot less than any individual agency could buy the data for, and we find the collaboration partners as well.
So if somebody is interested in collaborations and new business, what should they do?
Just get in touch. I mean, we can show them examples of videos, email templates, and samples of data. We can also do some initial research on the data pool that's available for any campaign, and we can make preliminary suggestions for collaboration partners.
Great, sounds good.
Great speaking with you, Caroline.
Pleasure.